friend, nice to see you again. So in this session we will learn about some vocabulary item related to everyday activities at home. Halo teman-teman, kali ini berjumpa lagi di kanal Mutiarani Edu. Dan sekarang kita akan belajar tentang beberapa istilah kosakata yang berkaitan dengan kegiatan sehari-hari di rumah. Kita simak yuk. Get up, get up, get up, bangun. Take a shower, take a shower, take a shower, mandi. Brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth, menyikat gigiku. Shave, 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 mencukur kumis atau janggut. Get dressed, get dressed, get dressed, berpakaian. Wash my face, wash my face, wash my face, mencuci wajah atau mukaku. Put on makeup, put on makeup, put on makeup, berhias diri atau dandan. Brush my hair, brush my hair, brush my hair, menyikat rambutku. Comb my hair, comb my hair, comb my hair, menyisir rambutku. Make the bed, make the bed, make the bed, merapikan tempat tidur. Get dressed, get undressed, get undressed, get undressed, melepas pakaian. Take a bath, take a bath, take a bath, mandi. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, pergi tidur. Sleep, 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 tidur. Make breakfast, make breakfast, make breakfast, mempersiapkan atau membuat makan pagi. Make lunch, make lunch, make lunch, mempersiapkan atau membuat makan siang. Cook, 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 memasak. Have breakfast, have breakfast, have breakfast, sedang atau sudah makan pagi. Have lunch, have lunch, have lunch, sedang atau sudah makan siang. Have dinner, have dinner, have dinner, sedang atau sudah makan malam. Okay friend, let's continue to have simple sentences to use some vocabulary before in this sentence. Listen carefully. Jadi, kali ini kita akan menggunakan beberapa kosakata yang sudah kita pelajari tadi ke dalam kalimat sederhana. Perhatikan baik-baik. What do you do every day? I get up at 6 o'clock, I take a shower and brush my teeth. Apa yang kau lakukan setiap hari? Saya bangun jam 6 pagi, lalu saya mandi dan saya menggosok gigi. The next sentence, what does he do every day? He gets up at 7 o'clock, brush his teeth, and has his breakfast. Apa yang ia lakukan setiap hari? Ia bangun pagi pukul 7, lalu ia menggosok gigi, kemudian melanjutkan untuk makan pagi. So, this all our vocabulary today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And please wait our next thematic video. Bye-bye.